Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Brother printer. First, carefully unpack your new Brother printer and remove all protective tape and packing materials. Next, install the toner cartridge and drum unit assembly into the printer, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then, load the paper tray with the appropriate paper size, typically standard letter or a fur. Finally, connect the power cord to the printer and a wall outlet, then press the power button to turn it on. Now, let's get the software installed. You can either insert the included installation CD into your computer, or, for the latest drivers, visit the official Brother support website and download the appropriate software package for your model. Run the setup file and follow the clear on-screen prompts. You'll need to select your preferred connection type, whether it's a direct USB connection, a wireless network, or a wired Ethernet connection. Once selected, complete the installation. Connecting your printer is the next crucial step. If you chose a USB connection, simply plug one end of the USB cable into the printer and the other into an available port on your computer. For wireless setup, navigate to the printer's control panel, select your Wi-Fi network from the list, and enter your network password. If you're using a wired connection, plug an Ethernet cable into the printer and then into your router. Finally, confirm your computer recognizes the printer. To ensure everything is working perfectly, perform a test print from your computer. This confirms the printer is communicating correctly and producing quality output. For ongoing optimal performance, remember to check your ink or toner levels regularly, replacing cartridges when they are low. Periodically clean the printer heads or drum unit according to your model's instructions. Also, consider updating your printer's firmware occasionally to benefit from the latest features and improvements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.